Number 1. This 1968 Plymouth Satellite Belvedere, priced at $11,000, is a well-preserved classic with only 41,000 miles. Located in Syracuse, New York, this Mopar gem remains in original condition, making it a rare find for collectors. Finished in an eye-catching green inside and out, it captures the essence of late 60s American muscle. With just 2 owners, this car has been well cared for, running and looking great. Whether for weekend drives or classic car shows, this Satellite Belvedere is ready to impress. A true vintage beauty, this Plymouth is a fantastic opportunity for enthusiasts seeking originality and style. Number 2. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, priced at $13,000, offers a timeless blend of power and style. Located in Peoria, Arizona, it features a 2.883 V8 engine paired with a 2-speed Power Glide transmission, delivering a smooth and reliable ride. The stainless steel Flowmaster exhaust enhances its classic muscle car sound, making every drive a pleasure. Riding on 17-inch wheels, this Chevelle also includes the original tires and hubcaps for those who appreciate factory authenticity. While the radio is currently non-functional, this Malibu is an ideal cruiser or a solid foundation for a full restoration. A true classic, it stands ready for its next owner to enjoy and personalize. Number 3. This 1985 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $9,000, is a well-maintained classic that blends style and utility. Located in Port Charlotte, Florida, it features a 4.3-liter V6 engine paired with a rebuilt transmission, ensuring smooth performance. A modified exhaust adds a bit of extra power and a satisfying rumble. With 86,000 miles, this El Camino remains in excellent condition, boasting a clean body and well-preserved interior. A unique vintage ride, it's a fantastic choice for enthusiasts seeking a classic with both character and practicality. Ready to hit the road, this El Camino is a true standout in the world of retro cruisers. Number 4. This 1976 Pontiac Bonneville, priced at $5,000, is a spacious and well-preserved classic. Located in Licking, Missouri, this nearly rust-free sedan runs and drives well, powered by a smooth automatic transmission for effortless cruising. Dressed in a striking blue exterior with a matching interior, it exudes classic 70s style. Tinted windows and nearly new tires add to its appeal, while its well-maintained condition reflects the care it has received over the years. With a clean title and a comfortable ride, this Bonneville is perfect for those seeking a roomy, stylish classic that's ready to be enjoyed. Number 5. This 1972 Ford Mustang Coupe, priced at $9,000, is a one-owner classic with a rebuilt, numbers-matching 302 V8. Located in Lebanon, Missouri, it features a 3-speed manual transmission, offering an engaging driving experience. The interior has been refreshed with newly replaced seats and carpet, maintaining its vintage charm. A cassette player adds to its nostalgic appeal. While it runs and drives, the brakes may need some attention. This Mustang presents a fantastic opportunity for enthusiasts looking for an iconic muscle car with originality and character. A true classic, it's ready for its next chapter on the road. Number 6. This 1972 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $11,000, is an all-original survivor that's becoming increasingly rare in this condition. Located near Danville, Virginia, it features a reliable 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission for smooth cruising. Rally wheels with newer tires enhance its classic look, while a fresh exhaust system ensures a strong running performance. Originally equipped with air conditioning and a vinyl top, both have been removed. Though minor rust is present around the rear wheels and trunk lid, the car remains a solid example overall. A great choice for collectors seeking originality and vintage charm. Number 7. This 1962 Pontiac Bonneville, priced at $12,750, is a well-optioned classic from Arizona that embodies early 60s American style. Located in Greenville, South Carolina, it features a powerful 389 V8 paired with an automatic transmission for a smooth and effortless drive. The car runs and drives well, showing only minor surface rust in a few areas. Its interior remains in good condition, with additional kick plates included for extra detail. Whether for weekend drives or local cruise-ins, this Bonneville is a fantastic choice for enthusiasts seeking a stylish and well-preserved vintage cruiser. Number 8. This 1965 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $10,000, is a classic highway cruiser with plenty of potential. Located in Cleveland, Tennessee, it is powered by a strong 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission for smooth performance. The interior remains in good condition, while all exterior lights, wipers, and heat function properly. Although some body filler is present in the quarters and the floor and trunk could use repairs, this Impala still delivers a solid ride. The car is available with either stock 14-inch wheels or bold 22-inch rims, making it a great choice for customization or restoration. Number 9. This 1977 Ford F-150 short bed, priced at $10,000, is a solid classic truck with plenty of potential. Located in Aliquippa, Pennsylvania, it features a manual transmission, offering a hands-on driving experience. The truck runs well and is currently inspected through December 2025, making it road ready. While it could use some minor TLC, it remains a great candidate for restoration or simply enjoying as a weekend driver. With its rugged design and vintage appeal, this F-150 is an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking to own a classic pickup with both practicality and charm. Number 10. This 1977 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $11,750, is a well-preserved classic with just 66,805 miles. Located in Lake City, Florida, it retains approximately 80% of its original paint, maintaining its vintage appeal. Under the hood, a factory 350 V8 pairs with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, along with a 350 automatic transmission for smooth performance. The working air conditioning adds comfort, while the interior features rare swivel bucket seats, a fresh dash cover, and a factory console with a floor shifter. Riding on Corvette rally wheels, this El Camino is a fantastic classic, ready to be driven and enjoyed. Number 11. This 1970 Ford F-100, priced at $12,000, is a custom short bed truck with a unique personality. Located in Sanford, Michigan, it stands out with a 2.5-inch chop, custom grille, louvered tailgate, and front and rear roll pans. Under the hood, a powerful 351 Cleveland V8 pairs with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance. It was the seller's daily driver last summer and remains a solid runner. The truck wears an older paint job from the 1990s, showing its vintage charm. While not perfect, it offers great value for those seeking a distinctive classic with plenty of character. Number 12. This 1976 Chevrolet C10 K10's K10 Scottsdale, priced at $8,500, is a solid and dependable classic truck. Located in El Monte, California, it features a 4-speed manual transmission and a functional 4x4 system, making it a versatile choice for both on- and off-road driving. Used as a daily driver for over a year, it runs and drives superbly. The blue exterior is complemented by a brown interior, giving it a classic 70s look. With its clean title and proven reliability, this Scottsdale is an excellent option for anyone seeking a vintage pickup with both style and practicality. Number 13. This 1975 Chevrolet C20, priced at $9,000, is a well-maintained workhorse built for reliability. Located in Bend, Oregon, it features a strong-running 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission for smooth performance. With no rust, this truck remains in excellent structural condition. It comes equipped with an auxiliary fuel tank, new tires, and fresh shocks, ensuring a comfortable and capable ride. Whether you need a dependable classic for daily driving or a solid foundation for restoration, this C20 is ready to go. A durable and versatile vintage truck, it's a great choice for any enthusiast. Number 14. This 1980 Cadillac DeVille coupe, priced at $2,000, is a rare project car with plenty of potential. Located in Flagstaff, Arizona, it features a 368 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission for a smooth driving experience once restored. While it starts, it does not stay running and likely needs carburetor work. The body shows rust in the trunk, hood, and driver's door, and both the exterior and interior require restoration. Whether for a full rebuild or parts, this DeVille offers an affordable opportunity for those looking to bring a luxury coupe back to life. Number 15. This 1979 Ford F-150 long bed, priced at $1,500, is a budget-friendly project truck with plenty of potential. Located in Nauvoo, Alabama, it features a red exterior with a tan interior and has approximately 90,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this classic truck offers a solid foundation for restoration. While it does run, it needs a gas tank and some minor work to be road-ready. The seller is willing to demonstrate that it runs upon purchase. For those looking to restore a vintage Ford truck, this F-150 presents an affordable opportunity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Classic Car Quest for more exciting classic car reviews. See you in the next video.